Hello guys, welcome back. Yesterday I ran 1 mile. 1 mile? I wish. 1 time around the block. Today, going off for 2 times around the block.
Trying to land in the front of my foot. Almost done the first round.
Wasn't easy, but it was a lot of fun.
Someone asked me if I'm gonna run every day, if I'm gonna add on every day 1 more time around the block. So no, I am not planning to run every day 1 more, to add 1 more. I am planning to add until I actually can make it around the block a couple of times and get my stamina up. And then I'm gonna start running in Prospect Park to at least make 1 time full circle, or I've never ran there, never been there, but hopefully I'm going to be able to cover it. Thank you for watching. Biggie out.